This is a certified pre-owned 2010 Mercedes-Benz M-Class. This crossover has a 7-speed automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, skid plates, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a sunroof, heated seats, a navigation system, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, aluminum wheels, roof rails, a rear-view camera, stability control, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button. And this vehicle has less than 33,000 miles. This Mercedes has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.
Thank you for considering Mercedes-Benz of Westchester for your next luxury vehicle. We are conveniently located at 1260 Wilmington Pike in Westchester. We look forward to serving you.